to be about. This guy is, yes, there is this person in your life and who is actually hiding something from you. This person is actually not genuine. This person is somebody whom you cannot trust, and you have to be aware. Beware, not be aware, beware. Okay, so beware is like something where you remain cautious, where you have to remain super watchful of this person, what they do, what they don't do. Okay, so yes, so that is what we are going to see in today's video. Okay, so yes, what they are hiding from you, we are going to see. It just depends, whether that clarity comes from this reading, or why you are not supposed to believe in this person, why you're not supposed to trust this person, like with your closed eyes. That we will get. Okay, so it depends on what sort of guidance you need. That is what you're going to receive from this video. So make sure, yes, just close your eyes and pray to God that you get proper guidance. Think about this person, think about the person whom you think that you cannot trust, or whose loyalty you are questioning since a few days, and you just came across this video, and this is the perfect video from where you will get the guidance. Now, just because this is going to be a general reading, yes, there are certain things that are common. Yes, this is like a common video. This is like for everybody who come across this, and there could be certain things in this video that will resonate with you. There will be certain things that will not resonate with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, just let it go. This is like a timeless video, so whenever you open this video, the stuff said in this video is going to be valid for you. Okay, that being said, sharing something with you about myself. I am Preeti, and I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years, yes, I have reached more than 50,000 people, and yes, so you can stay assured that you are in right hands. Yes, I have reached 50,000 plus more than 50,000 people across like several nations across, yeah, you can say globally. So yeah, so let's get started. So this person is hiding something from you. So first of all, you need to close your eyes, connect with your God, connect with your spirit guides, so that you can get correct guidance. Dear God, spirit guides, please share some guidance with my viewers about what this person is hiding, why they are hiding, why they have to be aware of this person. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, dear God, spirit guides, what is this person hiding from them? What is this person hiding from my viewers? What is this person hiding from my viewers? What is this person hiding from my viewers? Okay, what is this person hiding from my viewers? What is this person hiding from my viewers? Okay. What is this person hiding from my viewers? What is this person hiding from my viewers? Okay. Yeah, let's get started. What is this person hiding from my viewers? What is this person hiding from my viewers? What is this person hiding from my viewers? Okay, now let's take these cards and get started. So first of all, that person has given money to somebody, and which they could not be sharing with you. Now there are several reasons. If a person is sharing their own earned money, a person can definitely keep it for secret. But here, I think that the money they are not giving back to you. They had borrowed money from you. You had loaned some money to them, and they did not give the money back to you. At the same time, when they had the money, they actually gave it to somebody else. They actually loaned it to somebody so that they can get it back. Now that is one reason. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing is, this person is donating money to people. This person is charitizing money to people, and maybe on the face they are not agreeing to it. They are not telling you that they are donating. They are giving that money as a charity. Okay, and why somebody has to hide something like this? It could be that they have something in their mind. They are not Yes, they don't have clear intentions about doing this, so they are hiding it from you. I am getting this feeling that that loan money, that the money that they are giving to other people as a loan, that is your money, and they are not telling you that they have the money. They are just giving it to others. Okay. The second thing is, yes, they also I am getting this feeling that this person is also using the money in gambling, okay? Especially gambling in the sense where in midnight, okay? In midnight when a person goes out and there are some very local people who have some, some gambling stuff. They try to play, yes, they try to play and they try to bet with money. That is where they go and play, and this is where nobody knows. Okay, this could also be that if this person is your spouse, they are going out in the midnight and they are betting on stuff. Okay, they are actually doing this gambling, they are actually doing this behind your back. Okay, now for all the people who are tarot readers who are watching this video, and if you see that this is the Hermit card and I'm saying this like for gambling, you may actually wonder that why I said this. Okay, so yes, there are like tarot reading is a very very deep subject, and if you want to learn authentic way to read cards, please come visit my class, and yes, so make sure that you do that. Next card we have here is this card, and this person is also drinking. Okay, this person is also drinking. You can easily see the cup, and they are not just drinking. They go and drink at a place where they have a lot of company. See, for a person to drink in limit is easy when they have lesser people around and they have such company that who know their limits. Okay, but if a person does not know the limits, there is a crowd who does not know the limits of how much to drink, then it is very likely that they are going to forcibly give this person also. Yes, so this person is not having good company, and that company is, actually into drinking as well. Okay, we can see it where it is going. We have gambling thing, we have drinking problem. At the same time, the next card we see here is this. This person is also hiding something from you. So there is, there are chances that this person is already having some health issues. You can see that there is a snake and there is some poison that is already running inside their veins, and they are hiding this from you. Again, if you are a tarot reader and if you see that this is a hanged man, and what am I saying, why I am saying this, like it does not resonate at all with your tarot knowledge, please come to my class and check out how to read tarot cards like in a very very detailed way, in a very, yes, in a very unconditional way. Okay, yes, condition is you just read this as a hanged man. But yes, there are tarot readers who don't see this as a hanged man at all. They remove the name of the hanged man. So what does that mean then, right? It still means a hanged man sometimes, right? But yes, there are other meanings to each card as well. Okay, the next this person is hiding is, I think this person is also seeing somebody. Okay, so if you are in a relationship with this person could be just having a friendship or just a light flirty relationship outside. But yes, this person is having that relationship. They are also seeing this person regularly. Okay, this next we have is, okay, Seven of Wands. This person is also hiding. They are fighting for something. I can see them. There is some health issue here. They are also fighting for something. They could also be fighting some health issue and they are not telling you. It could also be that this health issue is because of their drinking problem, right? Because if a person is drinking too much, yes, it is going to show up as a health problem. So yes, that is definitely the case. This card is for, okay, again you see there is a cup, and inside the cup you can see the snake. So they are taking some poison inside them constantly. So this could also be, because we already had this this cups card. Okay, this cup that is standing for drinking problem. Again we have a cup which actually shows a snake. This could actually mean that there is some more addiction, there is more addictive stuff, there is some other intoxicating stuff involved. It could be drugs as well, or it could be some other substance to which this person is addicted. Okay, so yes, this person is addicted even to some more poisonous substance which is not good for their body. And finally, yes, they are hiding a relationship, they are hiding their emotions, they are hiding what they feel about somebody else, they are hiding what they feel about you. Okay, so this is what this person is hiding, and you need to be aware of it. Okay, now let's see what are the other messages that are being shown, right? Because if you are being told about this, all of this, then there is definitely something else also that you have to know. Okay, universe wants to tell you some things about this person, about what this entire thing is going on. Universe wants to tell you something about it as well. Dear God, spirit guides, please focus, please pray so that you can get the right answer. Dear God, spirit guides, please share with my viewers, please help my viewers to get answers about how they should cope up with this situation. Okay, so let's check out. Dear God, spirit guides, how do my viewers have to cope up with this situation? Dear God, spirit guides, how do my viewers have to cope up with this situation? Dear God, spirit guides, how do my viewers have to cope up with this situation? Okay, there are just too many cards. Okay, we're just going to take them because they just dropped out, and this important indication that we don't lose out those cards. Okay, so first of all, we have a Gemini person. Okay, so if we have a Gemini person, this person has some, okay, this person has a stronger Jupiter. Okay, now you may say, okay, what does that mean? Please don't try to understand. If you don't, yes, okay, I'm not trying to say that you cannot understand something this deep, but I'm just saying, if you cannot understand what I'm saying, it is fine. You just have to try to understand what this means for you. What this means for you is, yes, if this person's Jupiter is strong, yes, if this person's if the person is Gemini, their Jupiter is strong, and yes, they will be growth oriented, they will be yes, they will be optimistic. So even if they are addicted to these things, they could be limiting, they could put a limitation on it. They know when they can go out of league, they know when they can yes, just keep themselves in check. So if that is the case, then then this person is actually yes, they can make stable changes. They are somebody who can make changes with their habits. Okay, and if they already had that habit, they are already trying to change that habit. Okay, let's see what these cards mean. Resources, finances, investments, prosperous, money, income, commerce. Okay, so from all the different addictions that we saw in the other cards, this clearly shows that that person, if they are handling on to more money, they will not be able to yes, they will not be able to deal with that money properly, which is why if you get more money, if you have more money, please keep it to yourself. Okay, next card we have here is this. Okay, public venues, society, crowds, audience, party, meeting, event, date, community, outdoors, playing the field. Okay, so this is the card. This says that, okay, public venue, audience, party, meeting. Wow, process of arrival, step by step, way out, how to keep on going, baby steps, progress, spiritual growth. Okay, so whenever there is a public event, like you saw this entire reading because I think it meant something for you. This person is yes, close to you, and it is important that they keep their habit under check, which is why I think you are still still watching onto this video and you want to find solutions. Okay, so this card actually says at public venues, at social events, at any public events, right? Any public events, private events, if there is drinking involved, if there is any sort of, yes, gaming and putting money and betting involved, make sure that you keep an eye on this person. Okay, don't give them too much money when they are at such events. Okay, second thing is, once you arrive at this place, you just make sure that you keep an eye on this person, just keep on taking baby steps. Okay, you go along with this person in this event, keep on taking baby steps, and yes, progress in that event. Okay, and once you are done, you have to leave out with this person. If you stay, if you leave alone and you let this person stay, that you definitely are not going to know what went on after you left. Okay, so yes, make sure that you don't leave this person alone, especially in that sort of scenario. Now, if this person is a Virgo, okay, if this person is a Virgo, then this card actually says that yes, you will have to jump in and embrace. You will have to jump in and embrace and try to intervene and stop this person from what they are doing. And yes, this person could be deeply, very highly addicted, and they could not have control over themselves. So you have to make sure that you try to do it. Okay, so yes. So for the Gemini we came to know, for the Virgos we came to know, for the rest of the people it is this, that you will have to keep an eye on them. If they go out at any event, you will have to stick along with that person so that they don't yes, overly drink, or they don't overly bet in, yes, in playing games. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with others. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel, and yes, leave a comment in the comment box below. Let me know how does this video help you, and how does this video yeah, how did this video make your life better. Okay, also yes, because you have watched the video till the end, if you have any additional questions, and if you feel that there are serious problems in your life and you want solutions to them, by all means you can book a tarot consultation and get a reading by me. Yes, tarot consultations are chargeable. Yes, I do charge money for it, but I can assure you that if something is bothering you, rather than just sitting and guessing that this could happen or that could happen, just book a consultation and get a reading, a proper reading that is going to give you some direction in your life. Okay, so yes, there is a tarot, there are several different sort of tarot readings available. On the screen I do have my website and my details, contact details. You can just check out and get back to me which one do you like, and you can get a consultation with me. Okay, and that is how you can get a consultation. If you are interested in doing any classes, yes, classes keep on happening time and again. Recently tarot classes coming up, so if you are interested, please participate, please register so that you can get started with your tarot career. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Okay, one more thing I missed, I do have a very good yes, a very good offer for a numerology report. A numerology report is something that will give you all the details about what is going to happen, what are your lucky numbers, what are your lucky colors, etc. That is a really good report. If you are interested in getting it, it is available at a very cost effective price. Okay, so please go ahead and get it if you are really interested in knowing in detail about your life. So yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.